Hi guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through making a handbag favor box. And I think it's perfect for little gifts, little chocolate, gift cards, you name it. I found this on Creative Fabrica, and as always, I'll leave the link in the descriptions below. Now that it's uploaded, we are going to select all and then ungroup. And next we need to select each item individually and ungroup. And you can see here on the right hand side that this item is a teal color. Well, that is just letting you know this is the item that I selected. So we're going to click up here where these lines are and change this to a score. And then we're going to select both and hit attach. Slide this over. The next one we're going to select ungroup, and we're going to select this one, change it to score, and select both. Hit attach, slide over, and next we're going to ungroup this one as well. And we're going to select this and change this to score. And we can go ahead and select this one as well. And score. Score. We're going to go ahead and change this one to score. Then we are going to select this and hit attach. So now everything is ready to go ahead and hit make it. Okay, so you will have two pieces like this, and you should have 3 hearts. 2 pieces like this and this. And I am going to use this tape, and I'm also going to use glue. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's first fold on the score lines. Okay, so this is folded. Let's go ahead and grab the next one and do the same. So now that this is folded, we are going to attach this to here. Okay, so this is the way it's going to be. So this will lay down flat here. This will go the opposite way, and it will lay down right here. So I am going to use this double-sided tape for that. I think it's just easier, less messy. Okay, so let's go ahead and just apply some tape. Okay, we'll go ahead and just use this to take this off. Okay, so next we're going to apply this. So just line it up. Okay, perfect. All right, so now we are going to fold these down, and we are going to do the double-sided tape, and I'm just going to attach this like this so it connects. Let's start with this. All right, so we are going to pull this up together and turn this in, and we are going to attach it to here. So let me first do one side at a time. We want to be careful just to make sure that it lines up. Perfect, okay. And then I need to do the exact same thing to this side. So here you see that this side is lined up. So now we need to do the exact same thing on this side. So let's go ahead. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the same with this. So let me go ahead and do this side first, and now this side. Okay, so perfect. Go ahead and take the bigger one, and we're going to apply this on top of there. So let's go ahead and put this right in the center. and then take this off. And you can glue the whole thing. I just wanted to do double-sided tape today and take that off. Okay, we're going to line this up on here. Okay, just slowly make sure it's centered. Okay, perfect. And we're gonna go ahead and take the 3 hearts, and these also have score lines, so we're going to fold it right in the middle. Fold each one. So what we're going to do is, here's 1 heart, we're going to fold it, and we're gonna put, you can put glue or the sticky tape right here. Oops, so let me go ahead and do that first. So let me place this right here. What we're going to do, this is just a heart folded in half. I'm going to take this off so the glue will be there, and I'm going to take this heart and connect it so it's like this. It'll look like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So if this were folded, I'm going to take the heart and put it right on here. So now you'll have a heart, and you'll have like a little, these two will be connected in the back. Okay, now we're going to get a little bit more of the double-sided tape, and now we're going to do the same thing with this heart, but this, the heart, if you have it like this, you're going to put the tape right here, or the glue. Okay, and then you're going to add this side right here. You're going to line it up. So now you have like 4 sides. What we are going to do is, let's put this on first. Let's go ahead and fold this on the score line. And this is where I think I'm going to use glue, because I want to be able to make sure it aligns perfectly, and I want that, I want to be able to have that movement, whereas with the double-sided tape you don't. All right, so let's go ahead and apply the glue. Whoops, that really came out. You know what, we did that too soon. I was so excited to do that. Let's go ahead quickly, and we're going to fold just 1/2 inch on the handles, and we are going to place the handle right in the center. Let's take this off here. Same with this. And now we're going to add the handle, and the reason we're doing the handle first is so we can cover it up, you know, the bottom of the handle. Okay, so this is lined up perfectly, and let's line it up. So we're going to place this on here, and you want to make sure that this lines up perfectly with the hole. So let's go ahead and do that. Perfect. See how cute that is? And so it takes away, it gets rid of you seeing the handles right there. Now we need to add the heart, and that is also what closes the purse. So what I'm going to do is place the heart through this hole, so it'll look just like this, and then we're going to place this like this, and then we're going to attach the glue, or I'm actually going to use the double sticky tape. So let's go ahead and place this here, and then here. And let's remove this. Okay, and then when you close this, that's when it will line up perfectly. So let's go ahead and make sure that that's lined up. Okay, and I'm going to press this down. And you can also take this, close this and push this through so you can give it more support. So now I'm going to just reinforce this. And there you have the little heart. Isn't that so cute? This would be perfect for a little gift card, for chocolate, anything would be so cute in here. And I thought this was so cute. I just love the detail. So anyway, let me know what you think. Comment below, let me know. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.